Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, free storage and Android 8, 0 or newer. This avoids install failures. Once done, enable install from unknown sources in settings. This authorizes APK installs outside the Play Store. Next, download the CX File Explorer APK directly to your device. Choose a trusted mirror to reduce risk. Make sure the download completes fully before you continue. You're avoiding a PC, so keep files in your Downloads folder and note the APK file name for the next step. You now install the APK. Open your Downloads app, tap the CX APK and press Install. Accept any permission prompts. After installation, launch CX File Explorer and grant storage and media permissions so the app can read and write files. Then configure cloud providers and network shares. Use Add Cloud to connect Google Drive, OneDrive, or SMB by entering credentials. Once configured, organize the home view and set favorites for quick access. This makes remote and local file access seamless without a computer. Finish by testing core actions. Copy, move, open, and stream a file to confirm full functionality. This validates permissions and cloud links. If the APK won't install, clear the package installer cache in app settings or re-download the APK. Corrupted downloads are common. If cloud or SMB connections fail, make sure Wi-Fi is active, passwords are correct, and the server supports SMB v2 or v3. Older protocols may be blocked. Finally, restart the device after changes. That often resolves lingering permission or network quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.